To turn on or off a sound effect for screen recognition item focus when voiceover is on in iPhone 14 Pro, go to setting, scroll down the screen, and then tap accessibility, tap voiceover, then tap audio, tap sound and haptics. Under interaction section, tap screen recognition item focus, and then tap the on offset next to sound to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on and your phone will play a sound effect for screen recognition item focus when the voiceover feature is on. If needed, you can tap preview to listen how the sound will look like when it's enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.